We are passing legislation without proper oversight. And when you're going to deal with today, with the renewal of commercial real estate leases automatically. And I'd like to appreciate Matthew Cardinale for his courage in taking on the issue for the public to have a right to speak and for open meetings. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Shakir. Ms. Phoebe Cooper. Ms. Cooper. Mr. Matthew Cardinale.
Council President Mitchell, there are only, well, Howard's back. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matthew Cardinale, news editor of AtlantaProgressiveNews.com, here today to announce that despite the abusive, anti-democratic efforts of city council members and city attorneys, the days of secret votes in the state of Georgia are officially over. It's nearly 2 years since you all voted on whether to silence the public at committee meetings. All I wanted to know was how you voted. But Ivory Young, Alex Wan, Howard Shook, Joyce Shepard, and Lamar Willis, you were so determined to keep your oppressive intentions a secret that you were willing to spend probably tens of thousands of taxpayer dollars to defend your perceived right to a secret vote and deceptive fraudulent minutes. Today, the Supreme Court of Georgia ruled that you were wrong, that the citizens have a right to know how their elected officials who claim to represent them voted. What do you have to say to the voters, to the ones who are working 3 jobs, who can't get down to participate in the process, but who voted for you because of your promises to be transparent? I hope when you go home tonight and look at yourself in the mirror, you ask yourself why you betrayed the thousands of people who voted you in. How does mass deception feel at this moment? I'd like to remind you all that all I asked was a simple question. I didn't want to sue. I gave you many chances, but Alex Wan, you emailed the law department demanding their legal defense in your effort to shut the public out. Well, Mr. Wan, I call on you today to reimburse the taxpayers for your costly endeavor. Let this serve as a warning to Mayor Reed and the entire council that your out-of-control behavior must cease. My closed meeting lawsuit is still pending. The secret vote lawsuit is heading back to Fulton County, and 2013 is election year. So you better shape up because the citizens are rising up. Justice is on our side. Thank God. Hallelujah. And you still don't have a quorum. You said you wanted a quorum, Mr. Mitchell. You failed, and it's pathetic. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Mr. Cardinale. Mr. Ben Howard.
Thank you, Mr. President. Good afternoon, Mr. President, members of the council. Ben Howard, senior advocate. Kudos to Matthew Cardinale and all those who supported him and continue to support him in that legal effort.